How can I change my voice on Discord for Android?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to tackle an exciting feature on Discord for Android, changing your voice. Yes, that's right, you can modify your voice in your Discord chats and create fun, engaging interactions. Let's get started.
What is a voice changer?
A voice changer is a software that alters the sound of your voice when you speak into a microphone. It can change the pitch, tone, or even apply effects to make you sound like a completely different person, or even a character.
Can I use a voice changer on Discord?
Absolutely. Although Discord doesn't have a built-in voice changer, it's fully compatible with most third-party voice changer apps. These apps work by modifying the sound data from your microphone before it gets sent to Discord.
How to install a voice changer app?
Before you change your voice on Discord, you need to install a voice changer app on your Android device. Some popular options include VoiceMod, Voice Changer with Effects, and RoboVox Voice Changer. You can download any of these from Google Play Store. Make sure the voice changer app you choose is compatible with Discord. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. 2. Type in the name of your preferred voice changer app. 3. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install.
How to use a voice changer with Discord?
Once your voice changer app is installed, it's time to link it with Discord. 1. Open your installed voice changer app. 2. Choose and apply the voice effect you prefer. 3. Exit the app but make sure it's still running in the background. 4. Now, open Discord and join a voice channel. 5. Start speaking. Your voice should now be modulated by the voice changer app. Note: if you do not hear your voice changed, check the settings on both the voice changer app and Discord to ensure they are configured correctly. And that's all you need to know about changing your voice on Discord for Android. It's a fun way to add some flair to your online conversations. Remember to use this feature responsibly and respect the people you're chatting with. Enjoy your transformed voice, and happy chatting!